Hey guys, it's Megan, and today we are at Buffalo Trace Park, and currently we are riding bikes, and my nieces are behind me. The whole family is here.
Hi, Aunt Megan.
Hi! Will you say hi? Oh, it's hard to hold this and take the video at the same time and try to hold it steady. And we're gonna go canoeing, and well, I'm gonna be kayaking. I've never been kayaking, but I've been canoeing. And we're gonna ride bikes, probably go to the beach, fake beach-like area.
What?
I'm talking to the camera. And there's a lot of duck junk everywhere. Pretty gross. Alrighty guys, kayaking. I'm in the kayak and mom and dad are there in the canoe. My sister and brother-in-law and nieces are going to the fake beach-like area. Right now we're kayaking. I've never kayaked before, this is my first time. I don't know how well y'all can see me, but waiting on the rest of them. I'm catching up, they took a shortcut. Talk to y'all later, I gotta paddle. Say hi! It's a video.
Oh, hi.
We are currently... Are we halfway? Over. Are we over halfway? Yeah, we're over halfway. Yeah. Yep. We're floating right now. Video, yeah. 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 And then everyone else is over there on the beach. I'm just sitting here.